Say hello. Who's on the phone, Caleb? Uh-oh. I get it for you. Who's on the phone? Say hello. Say what's up. Are you gonna hang up? You gonna hang up the phone? Yeah. Say hello. What did he say? What did he say? You don't know? Well, why'd you hang up on him? Oh. Say hello. Are you still there? No? He hung up? Well, say bye-bye.